for it.
All right, come on. Okay, you're opening that one then.
Ooh. I wonder what
I know what it is. I know it. I
It
know
has crickets on it. Huh? It has.
It's nothing.
Shalise, don't say anything. Let him figure it out.
What could it be? Maybe it's just
Mama, but
something called a.
Lift it. Lift the box, I'll pull the paper
It's
out.
something called a little
Ainsley, shush.
cricket.
Ainsley,
cool.
what'd you get, buddy?
A little cricket.
You gotta turn it over so the picture's on the top.
Yep. And then you open it like this.
Whoa. We'll have to wait till Daddy gets home to check it out, huh?
I'll see it.
Don't stand on it. All right, buddy.
I'll see it.
We'll get out and take a picture.